Hey guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, my mining machine has been doing a great job. I've got 30 of those things going. However, we have a problem, and that is that our blocks have just been filled with stuff. So we're gonna take a look at that today, fix it, hopefully get it all ready to go. And what we're gonna do is we're going to make some of these storage buses. Now what these are going to do is allow us to interact with barrels, which is going to be perfect for what we want to do with this. So I'm just going to make a few of these real quick. So I think I've got 3 of those basics. Yeah, I do. Awesome. So I got 3 of these basic things left. We just need some redstone. I think it was redstone, right? Redstone, quartz, and iron. So get some iron out as well. Where's my iron? There we go. Gosh, that's weird. Iron, and what else did I say? Quartz. Yeah, we'll get the quartz here in just a second. I'm gonna keep that stuff out because I know I'm gonna need it. But there we go. And that'll allow us to make 3 of these guys, and then also make those into this little doohickey here. So we're going to need some of those ME cables, which we've got plenty of. Okay, I can't put them back, that's okay. That just means that some of them have been taken up into the spaces. Not a big deal. Or some of the cobble that was in that chest, I mean, has been put into the spaces. Same with the glass. Not a big deal. Just grab 3 of those. And then last but not least, we've just got to do this little setup here. So let's grab all 3 of those. Awesome. So we got to do a few things before we get going. First off, we're going to come downstairs and we're going to make all of these things up in here. We're going to make those number 10. That's just so that this will all work out pretty well. Hopefully we won't have any problems or anything with this setup. Next we're gonna need to find a place to put all these. So that's something. I'm just trying to think where the best place would be. Now what I'm gonna do with this, I think I should probably put them close to where all my crafting stuff is down here. You know, somewhere down here or something. Wonder what it would be. Where should I put these guys? What's this? That's that. I don't really want to move that because it's in 2 chests. We don't really need this or these anymore. I finished doing all that stuff. Can I put those away? Yeah. So I think just right up here would be good. Does that sound good, you guys? Just put them right up here. I'll make some some of those things, whatever they're called, I forget. Make it look all nice in here. So we'll come up. Yeah, this is what we'll do. And then all we gotta do is get the barrels that we want, and then just grab the stuff that we want. So I want to do dirt and cobble, and then the last thing we wanted was gravel, I think. Yeah, well, gravel, there's not that much gravel. Yeah, we better do gravel because there's going to be quite a lot of it after a while. So cobble in there, dirt in here, and gravel. Oops. Why is it? Oh my gosh, it's doing that thing. Okay, just ignore that. Go dirt, gravel. Okay, and then these storage buses, we're gonna make these, or we're gonna keep these as 1, as you can see. So, yep, there went a bunch of stuff. It all got sucked up into here, which is not a big deal. Basically what we need to do is get all of the cobble into these guys. So what we need really is to say we want to put all of the cobble into here, and it should start, well, once we fix this, it should start sucking the cobble up into there. Same thing for the dirt and for the gravel. Let's grab both the why did I just do that? Dirt, gravel. Whoops. Dirt, gravel. There we go. Alright, so what we've got to do now is we need, what are those called? Do I have, forget if I have one or not. I'm gonna go look real quick. Yeah, I'll put some of the, what are those called? They're, yeah, these guys. Whatever they're called. Yeah, there's they are. Or no, not those. I just want normal stone brick. Yeah, stone brick, not monster. But yeah, we'll make some of those so it looks pretty and stuff. And I don't have one of those things anymore. So what we're gonna need to do, I guess, is make one. And basically what I'm talking about, if you don't know, I'm not sure what it's called, so let me. It is IO ports. Is that it? IO port? I think that's what it is. Pretty sure that's what it is. Yeah, it's not any of these guys. So we need 2 disk drives, basic, a few other things. So that shouldn't be too bad. A few little pieces here and there. Nothing too serious. So now I forget how to make these guys. Oh gosh. So the drives have, so we're gonna need 5 of these guys total, which is cool. It's not a big deal. Just make a few. We need to set up our auto thing very soon. We need redstone, and we'll also need some silicon, but I don't think I have any. No, I don't. So we'll have to make some silicon. So how did I make that stuff again? That's with the quartz dust. Let's just make half of our quartz dust into that. Why not? Switch that over. We'll keep a hold of that for now. We'll put it in here. So silicon, just need, I put that in the wrong spot. So we just need a few of these guys, not a lot, just 5 worth. So then we'll cook these up. There it goes. Cook these guys up as well. Put these away, we don't need them. And then the other thing that we're gonna need is a few chests. If we have here, we only need 2 actually, I think. And okay, I think I got everything else pretty much ready. So just got some of that stuff. We need some iron because I don't have any on me. And then those basic. Oh, well, where'd they go? Oh, they can't be brought in. That's why. There's no room for them. So 2 of these, and any more glass. There we go. And then the final thing is this thing. So pretty simple. Just a few little pieces here and there. It wasn't glass, was it? It was glass all the way across the top. Oh, this one doesn't have a chest. Duh. There we go. IO port. So we'll take this downstairs because what this is going to do is it's going to transfer some of the things around, some of the stuff, you know, all these things. It's going to transfer blocks around. So what we should see is well, that's not what I wanted to do, was it? So maybe it won't do it that way, huh? Must not want to do it that way. Okay, so we'll have to do it a different way. Apparently. I thought it just worked this way. Maybe not. Oh, whoops, I didn't want to put those in there. I wanted to put them back in here. So, one of these is red. So that didn't work exactly as planned. I think I've got an idea though. Got a better idea. Now see, it worked. Oh, it's already filled them. Alright, so next part of this, we need to make these a little bit bigger maybe? What do you think? Do you think 64 is enough, or should we go for the full extra dimensional? Extra dimensional storage is dark iron with another barrel, some blaze. We could do that. Why not, right? So let's get some iron then, since that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we'll make, I don't know how much this is gonna actually make. I don't know why I'm doing this weird. Oh, that's right, we have to compress it. Oh man, it's gonna be harder to make that now. So let's get the compressor out then, because I put it away. And we're in the void world, so let's take, oops. Let's take 3. We'll only take 2. We only need 2 stacks. So we'll place this down and put these in here, and that'll start compressing that stuff. We'll just wait around. As you can see, my stuff is still going to town, doing a great job of keeping everything fueled. Once we get this all figured out, I'll hopefully be ready. I did make one of these 64K things, and it's already like practically full. I have 36,000 saplings still, and still 225,000 pieces of wood, 16,000 pieces of apple, and a bunch of this stuff. I'm going to be using this fertilizer and appetite stuff. Hopefully my mining machine can find a bunch of it, because what I want to eventually end up doing is making the fertilizer be auto-crafted and sent over here. But anyway, let's do a quick cut right now. I'm going to wait for all of this stuff to be made into blocks, and I'll be back with you guys once I'm ready to start making some dark iron. Alright guys, I'm back, and I just created a craft packet stamper, and now I'm going to get ready to make some of the TNT that is needed for the craft, or for the packet. So we're going to need 4 of these guys. So if you guys don't know how to make this, it's not that I'm making the diamond shards, in case you didn't know. If you don't know how to make these, it's pretty simple. A little bit of obsidian, a little bit of TNT, and a diamond or a gold block, and that will make the craft packet for that you need. All you have to do then is plunk this guy down somewhere and stick this in there, and we'll create it into 18 shards. Then to make the wrath lamp, of course, you need nether bricks, which I have some of. Perfect. Create one of these guys, wrath igniter, and let's put those away. Like that, and that. And we'll keep hold of those guys. Actually, let's put that away. There we go. So we're gonna come out. Oh man. We're gonna come out here and light this stuff on fire, basically. Well, I like the connected textures. That's good. There we go. Let's just light this on fire, and it will eventually. What are those? That looks really cool. It'll surround that whole area, turn it into dark iron, and then we can mine it up. Of course, you don't want to mine it too quickly, because obviously you can lose it in the fire. Because as soon as it's all done, fire will start to spread. You don't want to lose it. And that guy's on fire now. So you want to make sure that you get rid of all this fire, because you don't want to accidentally lose some of this dark iron because it is expensive. 4 pieces of dark iron cost 9 pieces of normal iron. So as you can see, that's why I've made so many. Got plenty now though. So let's make those extra dimensional things. Pretty simple. A little bit of this. I can't go anywhere. A little bit of that. We're going to need some leather. Do I have any? Yes, I do. We'll also need some barrels and a few ender pearls. And we need... oh, yep. We need a few good amount of these. I can't put that away. It kind of bugs me. Oh well. So there we go. Now we can upgrade. Oh wait, no, you gotta... there we go. Oh, that looks a lot cooler now, doesn't it? Looks very nice. So now we can go back downstairs and re-put all those things through the I/O port. Mainly the blocks, but we'll also have to put a few other things through probably too. Just to get all of that gravel and all that stuff out. So this is the blocks. This should empty out pretty much, yeah, entirely for the most part. Get out that, any of that. Nothing in there either. Nothing there, doesn't seem. So there we go. So now in our actual system, we should not have any cobble, dirt, or gravel. And let's see how full we've made this. Oh yeah, this one's about full right here, the cobble. So, oh, we still got 59,000 cobble. How much dirt do we have as well then? Quite a bit of that too. Now why is that? I have to go back down then. 'Cause it's not reading that. In one of these, there's too much stuff in one of them. My guess would be probably this one and one of the junks, or the blocks still. I'm not really sure. Nope. Okay. It's a little bit more. I don't know. Why is it doing that? That's weird, huh? The blocks is pre-formatted, so that might have something to do with it. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's see. Nope. Still same amount in there. What's this pre-formatted with? Cobble, gravel, and dirt are all in here. So let's get rid of those. Maybe that will get rid of those few pieces in there. I don't know. Gravel's still in here, so somewhere the gravel is still in here. It's okay though. Let's just move it manually. It's not that big of a deal. Well, maybe it is because there's quite a bit. I don't know. I'm gonna move all this stuff and I'll be right back with you guys once it's all finished. Alright guys, so I feel really dumb now, but I just realized that this interacts with these things. So as I pull something out, you can see there over there that I've actually taken it out. If you watch right here, I take a stack of the stuff out. So that's something I didn't know that this did, which is really actually freaking awesome. I mean, look, see, I can just take a few out. So that's really cool. I actually really like this system now, and I might do it for a few other things that are, you know, getting to a very large amount, such as the charcoal. Once I start doing that, some other things probably too, but I'm not really sure. Probably wood will probably be another one that I'll do that for. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so that's really nice. I'm liking that a lot. But what I'm going to do now is basically this guy will eventually fill up. And these guys are set for number 1, which is perfect. That's what I want them set for. But when they're full, I want them to, you know, be able to do something else. I want them to be able to go somewhere else, basically. Sand, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that when they're full, it's not going to start clogging up my system. They're just going to disappear basically. So let's go ahead and handle that right now. Alright guys, so I'm making a buffer now, and I've got a transposer in my my little guy here. So what do you guys, I'm making a little relay. If you guys know what this is, they're freaking awesome. I love them. Oops. They are some of the most amazing pieces of red power, I think. Basically they will send something through without needing a pulse or any energy or anything like that. You're like perfect for exactly what I want to do. So let's get some cobble out, and then all we need is something that I don't actually have. Do I have? No. So okay, I thought I had some of these, maybe not. 8 of those, and then we needed sand. 8 of those. Yeah, I don't have any of them. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna make a few of these things real quick. I'm only gonna need like a little bit. So this will make that guy, which I can then cut up and make into those. Put this away. I can actually put those away. So I got my storage bus. I now have a red dope wafer, which I can now make the relay with. Amazing. So I just need to get out some more ME cabling, and we'll head downstairs to finish off this last little bit. So I won't have anything plugged into this yet, but I don't know, I can't access it that way anymore. Forgot. It's fine. So let's put it like, yeah, let's just set it down here. It's not a big deal. So I think if I place it this way, no, I want it the other way. I want it that way. There we go. Put that on there, and then I can put that, and that. Boom. So then I just need to grab a piece of cobble, piece of dirt, and a piece of gravel. Put them into that little guy there. Piece of gravel, piece of dirt, piece of cobble. Put them into that thing down there. And then I'll need to change that output to number 2. So it's only going to put these 3 things into the relay. Storage. So it's only going to put those few things into the relay, and it's going to put them into those guys up there first, and then into the second one here. So that's the way that works. Perfect. It's amazing. Just get upstairs, put these away, and I'll show you guys how it's going to work. Well, probably can't yet. I will show you guys soon though. I just need a little bit more stuff, which is some lava, but I don't have any lava. So can't you make lava? Pretty sure you can make lava, right? Magma crucible, yep, there we go. Okay, so let's get out a little bit of cobble. No. Well, it's already started. Alright, I'm gonna get some lava and then I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so I'm down here, got my lava, I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. Basically I'm gonna stick the lava in here and close it off so I can't get to it. I can't burn myself on accident. But this guy will then just shoot stuff into there, as you saw. So we're just going to shoot stuff into there, and it's just going to destroy it. That's exactly what it's made to do. It's going to do it perfectly. So once these guys get full, it's just going to start chucking those 3 items into there. So the best way to probably show you guys is to just see it in action, really. So why don't we head on over to the mining machine, which is over here, close to here at least. Yep, there it is. Now I turned this off because I didn't want it running while I was trying to work. But let's restart it up. It'll take a minute because it'll have to do that row again before it moves. But it should run just fine. I'm still tweaking it, so I'm not going to put the code up. It's still having slight minor bugs here and there, so I'm just fixing it still. Hopefully by next episode it will be ready to be sent out to all you guys, though. So hopefully that's a thing. Let's dark out what's out here. Nothing too scary. Oh, except that guy. Make sure we go up and around him so we don't, you know, set that off. Of course, that would be not very good. There's another one over there. They should not spawn nearly that quickly, or nearly that often, I should say. But this will start loading up. As you can see, we've already gotten a bunch more cobble into here. So I'm going to skip ahead to where this is almost full, and I'll be right back with you guys to show you that little guy down there working its butt off. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you guys what I all did. Basically, if you see here, it's throwing stuff in. It's working great. One thing, it wasn't working correctly, and it took me a while to figure out what was wrong. But after a quick search on the internet, I found out that if you have anything pre-formatted, so in the blocks, all of these were pre-formatted, so it would go into these, and then it would go into the pre-formatted area, and then it would go into that down there. So that was the problem. I had to unpre-format the blocks thing, which allowed it to skip over these and go straight down into there, and now it's working just great. Also, my mining machine seems to be working just fine now as well, which is awesome. I'm really excited about that. So hopefully soon I can get all the bugs fixed and get you guys the codes, hopefully next episode sometime, which I'm probably going to record either tonight or tomorrow morning. So as you can see, it's just chucking stuff out, it gets stuff placed in there, and it's able to throw it out just as fast, which is great. We might have to maybe add another one or another two if we put more of the turtles and mining wells, but that's a little ways down the road, I think, as of right now. But we're doing pretty good. I think what I'm gonna do is I might move some of the stuff around. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I really like these crafting monitors because I didn't realize, but as you can see, I can't knock it off. It's because I locked it. As you can see down there, it's unlocked, which means I'd be able to take that off. But you can lock them, so I could put a whole bunch of these crafting things all over the place, and I could see how much stuff. Whoops. Didn't mean to knock that down, but I can see how much of what I have left, you know, and everything like that. Also, we're going to be using, I think, some cobble, maybe probably put another barrel or something like that with a pulverizer downstairs or something, maybe, I don't know, maybe just a small chest. But we need to be constantly making glass. See, we've got plenty of appetite coming in. More than enough, really, but we need to turn it into fertilizer and send it over to the other place. So I think that's what we're going to do next episode, guys, so tune in for that for sure. Maybe next episode we'll do some other little things too. It just depends on what I feel like we need to get done. But I just want to say thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Please make sure to like, favorite, share the video down below, comment on anything you guys want, and then also if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye!